Hey, I'm Megan Dutta with Rave Pubs. We are here with Hall Technologies at InfoComm 2023. I'm here with Ken. Ken, how's the show been for you guys so far?
The show has been fantastic, really packed, and post-COVID, this has been the best show we've seen by far. Great to see everybody coming back, great to see all these large booths and everybody's displays and equipment all here in full force.
Yeah, you guys have had a lot going on. Your booth has been slammed every time I've walked by.
Yeah, this is the busiest show I think we've ever seen here. We've had a lot of new product announcements. That's drawn a lot of information. Plus, a couple years ago, we rebranded from Hall Research Technologies to Hall Technologies, so new name, new logo, whole new direction for the company, and so it's been exciting to be able to talk about that.
Yeah, you guys have had a lot of new staff. It's exciting to see the influx of all of that. So tell us a little bit about these new products that have come out at this show, because you're entering in some totally new categories for Hall.
Yep. So, all of our conventional categories, signal management, extension, we still do all those great things, but we've expanded upon that. We've added interactive flat panels this year, 86 and 75-inch interactive flat panels. These are 40-point touch panels with Android 13 operating systems on them, designed to work with everything in the Hall line, from our brand new video bars to our microphone and speaker systems and to our cameras. And what we've done is we've created a new term to discuss how all of these new products, which are seemingly different, come together to work in a cohesive ecosystem to make a solution. And we call that program Nexus Connect. And so that's been a big announcement at the show, is this idea of Nexus Connect, and that you can take anything with the Nexus Connect logo and you can build complete solutions on it. And the next step forward is we're going to expand that Nexus Connect program to other vendors in the industry, so that if somebody's got their own favorite brand in a camera or a display or an audio system, they can certify that as part of our Nexus Connect program, and then those customers know that their favorite brands work with Hall, their new favorite brand, because they're part of the Nexus Connect system.
That's really cool. You guys are thinking a lot about partnerships in the ecosystem, which I think is a great idea. What are you looking for in partners for that?
So we're looking for anybody who is in the education or the corporate environments, who are part of this UCC environment where products need to be able to communicate and collaborate in a way that's new to us post-COVID, right? Because it's not just audio and video anymore, it's now two-way communication through USB devices, whether those are speakerphones, cameras, microphones, laptops, or other devices. We're creating an ecosystem of products that can now talk more than just AV, but in a collaborative way. And sometimes that involves AI and software that anticipates what you're going to do, tracks what you're going to do, and becomes part of that ecosystem as well.
So you brought up a lot of our trending terms. You're talking about AI, how the world is working post-COVID, all of that stuff. But what are some trends you see coming down the pipeline that integrators and consultants should be aware of?
Yeah, so AI, as we mentioned, is definitely a big one. And AI trends are the things that are helping take the common applications and tasks that we do and simplify them and automate them. So, for example, you walk into a room, things automatically come on. You plug in a cable, everything automatically switch over to your laptop or your device, and audio goes to the right level. All these things that simplify stuff for the end user. That's really what AI is. It's about taking the common tasks that we do and letting the software and the hardware work together and automate those common tasks, so that somebody who's using the technology doesn't have to think about it, because most of the people who are using technology aren't technology experts. They're there to communicate information or training to somebody, and they don't want to think about the technology. It needs to be seamless, and AI is what allows it to be seamless. So that's a big trend. And the other thing is simplicity, and that falls along the same lines. AI is helping us make those things simple, so that somebody can focus on what their purpose is, not what the technology is that's helping them communicate their purpose.
Thank you so much for joining me today. If people want more information about Hall Technologies, where can they find that?
Yeah, thank you, Megan. So you can find that on halltechav.com. You can also check out our YouTube channel, Twitter, Facebook, all the socials. You'll find Hall Tech AV on there.
Awesome. For all of the latest InfoComm 2023 news, head to ravepubs.com.